Now I would like to introduce to you about a very promising project that we are conducting. That is Hanu Art. By art we mean opportunities. Through this project, we help Hanu students to get very good chances to develop themselves in the job market. Well, in order to operate this project successfully, firstly, we conducted a survey involved 250 students, and as you can see from the result here, there is a strong need of soft skills training. So far, we have organized many important events which have proved to be very effective for the student to learn. And our latest event is an interview mock test. And you can see our very first but very potential, remarkable outcome here. One interviewee got a real job right after the mock test, and 5 others got the job and internship offer in just 1 month. Okay, now move on to another project, which is very promising also. We have green jeans. Well, I think that we all agree that jeans and denim clothes are indispensable things in our closet. But when they are out of fashion or too worn out to wear, what do? We often throw them away or give them to people who need them. But with green jeans, we offer you option 3. That is to redesign and remake them into valuable things, as you can see on the screen here. Okay? So, our project green jeans are sponsored with $450 USD. And please notice that we just have only 2 months to to implement this project. But we already got 60 old jeans collected, and the donator will get a coupon, as you can see here. And we also got 120 products in only 2 months. Alright, please take a look at our recycling old jeans process. We have 4 steps: collecting, washing, tailoring, and locating products. Please notice that in the 3rd step, tailoring, we involve 3 poor women from Zaandam district, so that we can help them to improve their living standard. Okay, here are some of our very first product. Thank you.
May I welcome you with Hanoi University Eco Green. This is the project about the environment. As you have known, environment problems has become a harder and harder topic in this recent year. However, some people still take little notice of them. And we, as a future social entrepreneur, we want to raise their awareness. We want to show them that there is a win-win solutions between the environment and the economy. Here you can see that we have developed workshops, for example, Earth Hour, which we have collected 375 fingerprints that prove they will switch off the electricity on the day. And also we have conducted a global warming workshop, which 62 participants have participated, and they are very surprised of the statistic that we showed. Also, we have a festival conducted in Zhangba Center, and it is called Hanoi Sound Stuff. Through music, we have shown them that music can help environment better. Also, for the ongoing projects, we have eco interviews, which we go to Hanoi Street and interview problems about the environment. Through this interview, we can have a better look at the environment problem nowadays, and we can also educate our student, our science student, how important the environment is. As for the products, because we are future social entrepreneurs, we want to show people and we want to prove that we can make a living and we can still save the environment at the same time. That's why we have the eco bags and the eco fund. Eco bags is the product which we make from the material that when you burn everything will go out. Nothing will be left, and it is safe for the environment. And for the Eco Fund, we recycle stuff. As you can see here, this is the used CD. So we recycle it and make it into something useful. Through our side project, we have educated ourselves of business ethic.
And the next part of our presentation is about the long-term vision. As you can see that all projects are in the first phase only, so we continue to develop our project. For the first project, Quinhua project, because the senior graduate, so 25 members will continue to participate in the project, and Quinhua will become a model to be expanded to other charity centers. And the second project is Hanu Up. We plan to have more workshops to train the students about the soft skills, and we also plan to have potential partner with Vietnam Work, Tâm Việt, and HR Vietnam. And we also want to have Hanu Up to become a center in Hanoi University where all the students can come and look for the job information. About green jeans, we want to increase and develop the product, and we want to have 3 more industrial sewing machines so that more women can be benefited from our project. About eco-green, we want to develop and sell more eco products, and we will run the eco tour as you can see here. And when we are doing the project, we noticed that the sustainability of the team is extremely important. That's why we have do the recruitment for leader for the next term, and it's now the right time to train them. And we also want to make the team member fully understand the 7 criteria of SAI Vietnam, and we want them to be inspired by the SAI spirit, so that they can do the project enthusiastically and successfully. And as you can see that from the whole 4 projects, we have met all the 7 criteria. And we can conclude our presentation here. And we want to say that as SAI Hanuers, we want to have the global hat and local heart.